what will be the flow of training. The flow of training will be like, first of all, we will go through the SQL. Second, we will go through Power BI. Second, we will go through Excel, sorry. Okay. Then third, we will go through Power BI. Then fourth, with Python. Okay. Along with it, with every tool, we have to go through AI tools. Okay. ChatGPT. How to use ChatGPT for your analytics, and along with these tools, how can you use these artificial intelligence tools? Okay, that is known as your prompt engineering. Okay, so this particular thing, prompt engineering, or you can say prompt analysis, you can say. So how you are going to use AI with all these analytical tools, we will see. Okay, so SQL, Excel, Power BI, Python. Into SQL, and we will install MySQL. Okay, I will show you how you can install Microsoft SQL server also. Okay, so I will show you, and you will install it. I will show you the website and what are the softwares that you need to install for Microsoft SQL Server. I will let you know, and you will install by yourself and see are you facing any problem or something. Okay, if you will face any issue, you can put the screenshot in chat in our group, then it will be taken care of. Okay, so now let me share my whole screen. Okay, so are you all ready with your systems to install SQL? Because see, you have to sit with your system and you have to be with your computer. Okay, otherwise you can't work along with me. Okay, so please let me know, are your systems now ready? As your systems are ready, you started your system, right? So let's get into it. I need your replies in chat box continuously. Please reply in chat box. I need an interactive session. I need your active participations always. Okay. So are you ready to install SQL? Okay. Okay. That's good. That's what I need from you. Like continuously, actively, please reply. Okay. So from where we need to install SQL, let's see. Open your Chrome or whatever browser you are using, and in that you have to search MySQL. Okay, so you have to search MySQL. Either you can go directly to MySQL website and you have the download option also. So I will prefer to go to MySQL website. So you will familiar with the website of the tool that you are working with. Okay. So this is the website of MySQL. MySQL is a byproduct of Oracle also. Previously, it was not with Oracle. Now, Oracle company overtakes MySQL, right? And now MySQL is also said to be the byproduct of Oracle, right? So you can go through it, that what are the different things getting over here. Okay, then What you need to do, you need to go to the downloads. My screen is not visible. Sagar, please, all the others, please confirm me. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir, it's
Yes.
visible to.
Sagar, please refresh your system, or maybe your internet is your broad your this one broad uh, bandwidth is slow. That's why. So please try, because Zoom is very light. That's why we are also using it. Otherwise, if you will go to Microsoft Teams, it is more heavy. Try to refresh, Sagar. Okay. So go to the downloads and don't go anywhere else. Don't go with Enterprise Edition. Don't go with Cluster CGE. What you need to download, that is, just hold on, this one. Okay. This MySQL Community GPL downloads. Okay. Right. So you have to click on this. I will share you the final link also. Okay. This one. Let's prepare a Excel of it. And what you need to do from here, you need to download the second one. Okay.
Sir,
The
after
second one.
opening that, sorry to interrupt. After
No, no, no.
opening
It's
that,
okay.
after
Please.
opening that community link, where you have gone, like,
On this page,
then okay,
then you have to click on this particular download.
okay,
Windows MSI installer. Okay. You have to click this one. When you click this one, you will be on this page where you need to click no thanks, just start my download. Right? So your download will get started. Okay. It is of 331 MB. You get downloaded. Okay. Once you get downloaded, then when you start that particular installer, that time this window will be appear. Okay. You have to go to the custom. Okay. There are four options. You have to go to the custom. Okay. Then click on next. Then you have to select what are the products that you need to install in MySQL. There are a lot of uh, products with MySQL, because as you know, SQL works with servers, with clients, with other things also. So we are not going to install all of the things, but the server, first thing, expand the first one. Again, expand. You need to expand again until the plus sign is there. Yes, select this one. Yes, click on the green symbol. Two more things you need to here, that is application. Go to the application. Yes, expand it. Workbench. Workbench. Yes, select the same. Select like the same thing. Yes. Third thing is your shell. Yes, shell. Yes, please let the other be see it also. These are the three things you need to select in products to be installed. Okay. Now click on next. Server, workbench, and shell. These three things. Execute. For me, this select product option is not coming. Vita, have you ever installed SQL before? Yes, you have to click on next or execute. You don't need to change anything. Just click on next, next. Yes, here you have to insert the password. Okay, this is your server password. Please be remember this password, because if you will forget this password and whenever it is asking for your password, you have to uninstall your SQL and have to install it again if you forget it. So please remember this password. Please enter any password that you remember. Yasmin. Shweta, once Yasin will install it, okay, I will make you the co-host. Please share your screen so that we will look into it. Weak, no, strong, normal, that doesn't matter because it is a offline server for you. You are not sharing with anyone else. Click on next, next, next. Again, execute. You don't need to do anything else to insert the password. Okay, only and only the thing that you need to do is to insert the password while setup. Okay, otherwise just next, execute, or finally this finish. Click on it. Now click on next again and then click on finish. When you will open SQL, this will be the interface, right? And some more things will be there on the top. You can close that one. That is for your basic information only. There will be only one server, local host. Okay. So just click on your local host. When you click on your local host, it will promote you for the password. Okay. So just insert the password. Yes, this is your MySQL workbench. Click on local instance MySQL 80. Yes, on it. It will promote for the same password that you have. Write the password. Okay, then click on OK. This is how you are connecting your server. Okay, this is the interface you found. Just make it for the full screen. Yes. From now, you can see this is the administration block. Okay, left side in the center, can you see administration and schema down in the center, below center of the screen. Yes, click on the schema. Yes, this is where you are going to work with the SQL. Okay,